Subscribe to Mind, Body and Soul and press the bell icon for more updates.
We're going to do a counter pose. Paschimottanasana, stretching the west, the back of your body. Purvottanasana, stretching the east, that's the front of your body. So you're going to bend your knees and we're going to make a little tabletop with your body. Your hands are about 6 to 8 inches away from you, fingers pointing away from your body. Take a deep breath in. Come into a tabletop position, stretching the hips up, remembering to use the glutes and the hamstring, not the lower back, to stretch up. Then gently drop your head back. We're going to stay here for about 10 seconds. If you get really tired, gently bring the hips down to the floor and rest. And gently bring your hips down. Stretching out your legs once more, giving them a little shake. You're watching Yoga with AJ, and remember to connect with yourself.